Alright, here we go. We're going to remove this tattoo. We're going to start here with the 2. Ready? Here we go. Does it hurt? You okay?
Yes.
You want me to continue?
Yes, sir.
Alright, here we go. You see there, Blake, we're about halfway done. You're getting it all on tape, right?
Yeah.
You know, here at Fresh Starts, we're all about second chances, new opportunities, and fresh starts. This tattoo removal process only takes just a few seconds to get done. And as you can see, all the considerable changes and the results we're getting are, this is exactly what we'd like to see, is this clinical frosting. I'm very, very confident that we're going to have positive results after a few treatments. And we're almost finished. I can count down to 3 from now. 3, 2, 1. How's that look? How do you feel?